Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily take a picture or a snapshot with your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Camera Hub, which is an app for ELGATO cameras, and make sure that the device input here is ELGATO Facecam MK.2, just like me. So now, after everything is checked and everything is correct, then simply click this little button here, the camera button. As you guys can see, we will have a check mark here. Now we need to open this folder, and as you guys can see here, we have our snapshot. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.